Hello everyone, my name is Jacqueline Shabbat and I will present you the PV IFC Configurator. In this first video, I will give you a brief overview of the configurator. In the next video, you will see the simple configuration method, and in the third video, there will be a demonstration of the detailed configuration mode. The PV IFC Configurator is a web-based application designed to create detailed IFC-compliant models of photovoltaic modules for use in BIM processes. Let's have a quick look at the user interface. First of all, we have the IFC viewer himself, which provides a live 3D preview of the IFC file built through the configuration in the sidebar. So as you can see, as in every IFC viewer, you can rotate the model, zoom in and out, or use the buttons to get a top or a front view. At the bottom, you have a status bar. This provides feedback, shows if a model is loaded, and includes also the download IFC button, where you can download your IFC model in the end of the process. On the left, we have the already mentioned sidebar, which contains all our configuration options. The sidebar is split into two main tabs. It's the configurator, which is used to define the panel himself, and the viewer tab, which is used to adjust the preview settings and view the IFC hierarchy. So you can all the time see the hierarchy which you already created. In the view settings, you can select the show grid option to display or hide the grid and choose the background color of your choice. You can view the IFC hierarchy, as already mentioned, which is created in the IFC file in the background. The current version is shown in the header. Clicking on it, it allows you to view the release notes and track new features. We also provide the documentation in both German and English in the header on the right, where you also can find the link to the other videos I have mentioned at the beginning. Yeah, and now let's start with the configuration, and I will make a cut here. So just click in the documentation or on YouTube on the next video, and then you can see the simple configuration mode.